Hi guys, my name's Bradley and welcome to the first unboxing here at Browns East. We're located at 21 Club Row in Shoreditch. As Fresco told you, we're doing a partnership with Stadium Goods and it's going to be happening this May, so keep an eye out. Let's get straight down to the unboxing. We're going to be unboxing the Nike Undercover Jun Takahashi Daybreak sneaker. Before we go into the breakdown of the shoe, it's got a little bit of history. Originally released in 1979, it was one of Nike's early running shoes. It was actually the sneaker that won the first women's marathon. Joanne Benoit won it. Her model was slightly different, but that doesn't take away that the sneaker has got a lot of history to it. So let's go straight down into the features. First thing to note is obviously the mix of materials. We've got a bit of tumbled leather, nylons on the side panels and the vamp, and also bushy suede along the mudguard, eyelets, and also on the heel cup as well. Other things to note is we've got some nice detailing on the tongue with the white trim going around the top, and also we've got some nice tumbled leather top lining along the inside to keep your foot nice and comfy while it's in there. Notice that all the swooshes are not the standard orange, all nice blue, all on the inside, all on the tongues, and also features on the other sneaker as well. We've got minimal branding across the shoe, just down on the sole unit, and also on both heels as well, also featuring a little bit more tumbled leather, but laced with a bit of nylon on the bottom, so it's keeping us on our toes. It only comes with one set of white laces, this shoe. Doesn't matter too much, don't really need to be too jazzy with them. They're a black and white sneaker, might as well keep them classic and clean. The exaggerated extension at the back is going to be what's going to do all the talking for this shoe. So the Undercover Daybreak is going to be releasing other colours, also coming out this month in May. Other things we've got coming, we've got some custom labs, we've got other cool installments. It's definitely worth keeping an eye out for, so follow us on Browns Fashion and Browns Men's for all the coming updates. Thanks, this has been Bradley at Browns East, and we'll see you guys again soon.